How to use Visa gift card on TikTok shop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now basically, you want to head over to your TikTok application right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and select any item from the TikTok shop. Now let's just go ahead and say that I want to buy this specific item right here, so I'll just go ahead and click on the buy now option. Now once inside the order summary, this is really simple. All you have to do is to basically go ahead and scroll down, and you will go ahead and see the payment method right here. Now to actually use the Visa gift cards on TikTok, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the credit or debit card. From here, you can then go ahead and enter the details for the Visa gift card, enter the card number, the expiration date, the security code, and lastly the card holder name. From here, you can then go ahead and click on continue, and right after that, you will be able to make a purchase while using the Visa gift card. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.